Good afternoon. Welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and as you can see today, we have a pretty special apartment. This apartment in Medellin, in Poblado, in the area of Vizcaya, just up from Parque Lleras in Provenza, is a wow apartment. Okay, so we're going to take a little jaunt around this 3-bedroom apartment. We're going to show 2 of the bedrooms today, the master, obviously here, the kitchen. Okay, and the idea and theme of this building is, as you can see, it's built around the nature. So it's kind of like a modern industrial city treehouse. Absolutely spectacular. Right over here, they have a giant avocado tree. Right here. So in the mornings, you can come out in season, grab an avocado, and use it for your breakfast. Over here, they put in an area for barbecue. But for me, what I love about this place is its openness and the fact that it has a huge balcony. But I really love the layout of the kitchen over to the left there, and then the open concept living room to the kitchen, and then right there, as you can see, and if you look up here, at night, they've got a perfect space for, feels like you're outside here anyways with the large patio. But you can enjoy your Netflix at night on the projector screen right there. And then over here, the owner of this has put up a little office space right here, as you can see. Take one last look at the kitchen. They even have put in a dishwasher right here. And then just in behind there is the service quarters. So there's an extra bedroom there for your hired help. All right, let's go take a look at the master bedroom. But before we get there, we're going to take a look at the social bathroom. So as we step into the master bedroom here, this is a spectacular apartment. Again, 3-bedroom apartment. We'll put all the details at the end screen. And a beautiful walk-in closet. His and her closet. Complete with a rain shower built for 2. His and hers sinks. And your toilet right there. I love how the greenery is growing so high. This is actually an apartment, like I said, just up from the entertainment zone of Provenza and Parque Lleras but out of all the action. So let's take a look here. This is the children's room, and then it also has an ensuite bathroom in the style of the other washrooms. Let's take one last look here at the living room. This is a quick walkthrough today. Again, this is the new style of apartments being built in Medellin and around the area. I'll have some photos at the end screen of the outside of the building, which is covered with nature, greenery, as you can actually see right here. So just over this way, about a 5-minute walk is Provenza and a 10-minute walk to Parque Lleras. And this is the neighborhood around. Right down there, you've got a river running through the property, or just adjacent to the property. You can hear it in the background. Again, if you're looking for a beautiful garden patio in Medellin, this building is about 5 years old, I believe. So 5 years young. But when I was here last time, there wasn't the greenery that there is now. It's really grown up here. So and one of the great features of this apartment, as you can see right here, is private elevator access to your parking lot below. And then right behind that door there is actually a fire escape, but in between there is a what they call a quattro ulta here, which is a storage locker. So it's the size of another bedroom, and that's where you can store all your things that you've accumulated over the years. Once again, fabulous layout, incredible apartment. Let's end this video on the balcony here. All right, this is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we will see you in the next video.